Hi Sir Rolly, welcome to our new activity today. As you observe, ngit pa but it's actually 4:01 a.m. in the morning and we are going to make a 5-mile walk or jogging. Basta jogging na lang. Atong itinerary is nilibot diri sa baba kani sa likod na ako. Aron safe dito sa highway Prince, then balik siya paduha 2 or 3 times para 5 miles. So go 5 miles and dili ko ka PE kay basa ang PE, gilabahan ng PE, pero okay lang, at least PE ang pants. Okay, so we're going to start now and see you later. Gas station and the National Highway. So we're going to the Prosperidad. So here we are, 7-Eleven and the Petron gas station. In front of me is the Prosperidad Center Island, and we're now going to take the road again back to the Prince and then here for the second time. So let's go again. 7-Eleven, and we're approaching again the Prosperidad Center Island. Look behind me, there's a lot of cars passing by because it's already 5:47 in the morning and it's our last try. It's our last lap. So let's go. Hello. So we're now done. Lapit na tawag Baba Center Island. Ayan. Hayag na, kibuntag na. Time check 5:09. So diri na human atong jogging. Ayan. Bye-bye.